discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. I like the alien theme.
Yeah, aliens are my thing. The other two next to him said they would demo as well.
Okay. Yeah, I'll come check it out. Wow.
Ripped my little grill today.
Yeah.
Ripped apart.
So what grill? It tore?
Yep, it tore.
Was that today, you said?
Today.
Was it just the pressure, or?
Well, I had this hatch open.
Uh-huh.
Just so everybody can see it, and I was kind of playing it.
Yeah.
I think that not having the pressure off of here
Yeah.
just made it go.
Yes, sir.
So,
Wow.
it's all good.
So that's 8 12s.
8 12s on a 12K, DD 12K.
Wow. Hey, if you have any hatch issues, you're tearing it up, I'm sure.
No, actually, this whole truck, foam, Dynamat, roof, foam.
So it helps keep it in?
Yeah,
Oh, that's good news then.
Even like right here, solid.
Oh, really good. That's good. All right. Not everybody does that.
Yeah, I'm trying to save the truck, you know, because I know all this noise, it'll come apart. You don't kind of protect it a little
That's
bit.
right. Yeah, all the panels aren't made for the pressure.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, I don't think I've ever seen this amplifier before.
You don't see a lot of them.
No, this is the first one I've seen, the 12K. I've seen 10Ks, 8Ks.
This truck has 12K. That Avalanche has a 12K.
Okay. Sweet.
We're probably the only two with the DD 12Ks out here.
Yes, sir. All right.
Got AC in here.
Wow, this feels pretty good, and you have your back seats.
Yep,
So you fit. Who built this box?
Henry Hall. He might be giving a demo on that Avalanche over there. But
Okay.
yeah, Henry Hall at WBB built it.
Yes, sir. So what is your name and the equipment?
My name's TJ. I got 8 DD 700s, 12s. I got the DD 12K.
Yep.
I got a total of 16 DD VOXN 6.5. 4 banks of unit long. I got 2 Ohio Gen also. That's pretty much it.
SPL tests?
Always.
Yeah. Has it broke a 150 when you burped it, or higher, or what's your net? 153? Oh, that's good. I was just asking because this much space. That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's actually, it's not meant to be loud.
Yeah.
It just is
Music.
It's a very musical box.
Yes, sir.
It actually plays about 50 to 27, pretty smooth, pretty
Okay.
flat bandwidth.
Yes, sir. Wow. And all of these subs wired to just 1 ohm, I'm guessing? On that?
Half ohm.
Half ohm. Okay, half ohm.
Half ohm.
Wow. Yeah, I'm surprised I've never. This is the first time, dude. I've seen like 600 amps. That's the first time I've seen this
Really?
amp. Exactly. The Z12000. Do you know what the Z stands for on the DD?
I have no idea.
All good.
I have no clue. That'd be a Henry question.
Yep.
Service is so bad out here, I can't really go through my playlist like I want to.
A lot of people are having that issue. Yeah. All right.
I'm ready when you are.
Yes, sir. like lower 40s, upper 30s.
Yeah, no problem.
Say what you want.
Good bandwidth, even though it's considered a no-wall, just back tuning. Nice job, man. Well, what's your name?
TJ.
TJ? Jacob.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, TJ. This is the first time at the show, so nice to meet you. I don't know if I've ever met you before at any of the shows.
It's my first actual show myself. So.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I go to probably 10, 12 shows a year.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I've been doing YouTube for about 12 years, on and off.
Yeah.